Hello friends and welcome to my 13th JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial we will be discussing about global and local variables. Now this is a totally entirely different concept, so let's clear this up. So in this tutorial we will be discussing about variables. So let's type in a variable first. I will just write a variable Delhi and let's give it a value of a string. Let's say Delhi is the capital of India. So this string is stored in the variable Delhi now. Now let's create a function and say function addition. Let's keep the parameters as blank here, and within the addition let's create two variables. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to say 20. And we will create another variable and just add this up. Now here you can see that I have created two variables within the function and one variable is outside the function. So the variables which are assigned outside the functions are global variables, and the variables which are assigned inside the function are known as local variables. So what is the main difference between these is a global variable can be used outside as well as inside the function, whereas a local variable can be used only inside that function. To demonstrate this, I will just show you an example. You will understand the concept very easily. Just follow my tutorials. So for example, I will write document write and just write Delhi here and just show you. Now this is a global variable which I have created, and obviously this variable will be shown on the screen, that is Delhi is the capital of India. Now if I use another statement and say I want to use a local variable here which is outside the function, it will not work because I am using a local variable outside that function. So here you can see that it's not displaying anything else than Delhi is the capital of India. So I think you have got the concept clear that a global variable can be used outside as well as inside the function. Now let's use the global variable Delhi inside the function. Say document write, and here we will make use of the function Delhi. We will make use of the variable Delhi, which is a global variable, and let's give a string, add up a string to it. And we can also use a local variable. So say we want to use the variable y, which is 20, and here I will just delete these document write statements, and instead we will call the function addition here. So let me save the file and let's check what is displayed in the browser. So this should obviously show the result as Delhi is the capital of India and 20. Actually the statement doesn't make any sense, but I think you will get the idea. So here you can see that it is displaying as Delhi is the capital of India and 20. The 20 came from the local variable, and Delhi is the capital of India. This string has been executed from a global variable called Delhi. If you want to show the result of this addition along with this string, you can just use the letter Z here, and obviously it will output the result as 30. Hope you got the idea about this concept of using global and local variables. In my next tutorial, we'll be looking at the if statement. So do hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.